Hi, thanks for taking a look at Ravencloud. In this video, I will give you a short guided tour of all the things you can do with this richly interactive natural language application. Watch closely, you won't believe your eyes. When you first come to Ravencloud, you see the Business Process Explorer on the left, the Narrative Text pane in the middle, and the Diagram pane on the right. You can start typing your own process directly in the text pane. But the Business Process Explorer comes preloaded with 36 example processes in a folder called Process Examples, and also several tutorial exercises to get you started. You can search for a particular process by typing part of its name into the search bar. Let's look at this example of an online flight check-in process. All you need to do is press the red button in the middle of the screen, and Ravencloud generates a visually stunning process flow diagram in a fraction of the time it would take to draw manually. There's a slider zoom control at the bottom, which lets you resize your diagram. Or you can press this button to fit the whole diagram into your current window size. The regional zoom feature lets you home in on a particular part of the diagram for a closer look. By pressing the magic hand button, you can hold down your left mouse button and pan around the diagram. You can devote more screen space to your diagram by clicking this button to minimize the Process Explorer, or by resizing the text pane. If that isn't enough, the button at the bottom right will expand the diagram to take up your entire computer screen. And you can press the Escape key to get back to Ravencloud. Here's something very cool. The diagrams are rendered in landscape mode by default, with horizontal swim lanes. But if you prefer a vertical portrait layout, just click this button at the top, and the diagram instantly rotates 90 degrees. Try doing that with Visio or SmartDraw. The diagrams are beautiful and versatile, but that's only part of what Ravencloud can do. Ravencloud is also analyzing your narrative text for the terms you are using, and to identify logical flaws in your process. Across the bottom of the screen, you can see a tally of the number of steps in your process, the number of actors, and the number of logical errors identified, as well as the number of words and sentences in your narrative. By pressing this button, you can colorize the text to identify actors in blue, functions in green, and objects in red. This button will open up a list of all the actors and objects that Ravencloud has identified. You can sort the list alphanumerically by clicking on any column heading, and through dynamic linking with the narrative, when you click on one of the terms in the list, Ravencloud will highlight that term everywhere it appears in the text pane. Similarly, this button brings up a list of all the functions or actions being performed in your process, and shows which actor is performing each function and the phrase where it occurs. You can click on any function in this list to highlight the related sentence in the text pane. This button shows the list of logical errors that Ravencloud has identified. In this example, we have a flow break in our process. Just click on the error to locate it in the text and diagram panes. It's easy to see that we haven't clearly explained the handoff from the traveler to the gate agent here. It's a missing step in our process. We'll just add that missing step. The traveler hands the boarding pass to the gate agent, and then remodel the diagram. Ravencloud is the only natural language application of its kind, automatically analyzing your processes and producing diagrams that would otherwise take hours or days to do. Ravencloud helps you to work better, faster, and with greater quality. The process examples that you see here are available for anyone to try, completely free. When you're ready to go further, we offer 3 different levels of service in the cloud. First, you can sign up for a free account just by clicking the Sign Up button at the top left and providing your name and email address. With a free account, You can create your own processes and store them in a category folder called My Processes. You can also download your process diagrams to your computer as watermarked JPEG images. When you upgrade to a paid account, you get the ability to create as many category folders as you wish. You can download JPEG images without watermarks, and you can also download your diagrams as XPDL files or in native Microsoft Visio format. If you purchase a multi-user account, you can administer multiple user logins and give everyone in your company access to the same collection of category folders. This is controlled from the Profile Settings dialog. Ravencloud protects your work. All the processes that you create are read-only for the other people in your account. To learn more, visit www.ravencloud.com today. Try it out and spread the word.